Women are usually more sensitive in a marriage than their husband, believe it or not. They have the tendency to become unhappy when their marriage isn't going the way they have planned or they have desired in life. The sad part is that some men do not even notice their wives are unhappy. They see the signs but may ignore them because they do not consider them serious. As a husband, how do you know your wife is unhappy in your marriage? Or as a woman, what signs do you notice you exhibit that could mean you are unhappy in that marriage? Let's walk through a few signs you may notice. Hey guys, welcome back to another beautiful topic I'm here to share with you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on what I title "See Signs that your woman, your wife, your girlfriend is unhappy in that relationship or in that marriage." Or as a woman, what do you exhibit? Those signs you see yourself that you normally do, it shows that you are unhappy in that relationship. It shows that you are unhappy in that marriage. If this video is what you would like to listen to, you would like to watch, please listen to the end, and also give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Let's dive into this topic. See signs a woman is unhappy in a marriage. Number one, she nags. Contrary to the stereotype that all women nags, when a woman is pleased with you, the last thing she would do is complain or nags. Do you notice that she nags about slightest things she can get away with, like things she can just ignore? She talks about it, she yells about it, she nags about it. If there is something bothering your woman in that marriage, and it's not a monthly flow, yes, now everybody will be like, oh, because it's a monthly flow, she talks, she nags, she did this, she did that. She tends to pick offense at everything, shout at you or the kids, and doesn't want to be told she should calm down. Oh, calm down, don't tell me to calm down. She nags about everything. That makes her even moody. If you tell her, oh, calm down, you have sure sign that she is unhappy about the marriage. Number two, she stops complaining completely. This is the reverse of the first signs. Oh yes, but it is also a clear sign that a woman is unhappy in a marriage and tired of it when she stops complaining. She might have spent forever complaining about some certain things and you do nothing about it. Some women result is negative feedback. They do not talk anything at all. They'll just keep mute. You may ask, what's the matter? What's wrong with you? And she will say, nothing is wrong with me. But her body language, her eyes, sights, occasional shaking of her head tells thousands words. She's not saying anything. Why some go to the extreme of shouting, yelling, so sad. Others go to the extreme of keeping quiet. You may notice the following. If she replies to your text late or not at all, she misses your call and do not even think of returning them. She doesn't call or text you. She barely engages you in any conversation at home, anywhere. And she is just mute around you. When you notice some unusual silence, she may say, oh, she's shy. She's not shy. When a woman is happy around with you, she's not shy. Take it from me. Number three, stop wanting sex. You don't know that when a woman loves you, her libido will be high. Your woman may never have high libido as you are, but when she is tired of that relationship, it gets worse. You touch her, she tell you, oh, please leave me alone, I'm not in the mood. She could turn her face away when you try to kiss her, when you try to hug her. She will just be like, please. She could clearly say no to sex or being inactive throughout the intimacy. She will just be there. A happy woman is more likely to be more sexually active and vibrant. Does she always find an excuses not to get in shower with you? Is she always tired and needs to sleep? You have signs that something is on her chest, but you just choose to ignore it. Number four, she thinks or talks about getting separation. Every now and then, all she thinks about is separation. Some points, and spouse even begin to doubt if they marry the right person. You start imagining life with your ex or away from your husband once in a while. But when getting a divorce or living away from your spouse becomes part of your daily closing, you are unhappy in that marriage. You are unhappy in that relationship that you have. These signs manifest in little ways, like preferring the office to your home, constantly imagining what your life would look like without him, seeking the next available trip just to get away from him, and doing every activity that keeps you away from him. They aren't mere thoughts. They are signs that you are unhappy in that marriage. My dear sister, uncle, there are signs that she's unhappy. These are signs that she's unhappy. She wants to stay in the office. She don't want to come home. She wants to hang out with people. She wants to stay with her friends. Bro, daddy, mommy, you are unhappy in that marriage. Number 5, she enjoys the company of other people more than you. Whether in the company of other men or women, she's watching TV, she's on her phone, she just do not want to have a conversation with you. She enjoys talking to others, but suddenly is short of what to say to you when you want to talk. It's worse when you notice that she's sharing her displeasure with others, like her friends, her mom, her colleagues, ex, and everyone close enough to listen. She's finding their company more appealing than yours. That there is a sign of an unhappy woman. Yes, that is a sign of an unhappy woman. Number 6, she compares you to others. Oh yes, everyone wants something better, but some people are more satisfied with their candies in their basket than with chocolate factory. Of course, that is not the case with an unhappy woman. She compares your paycheck, expertise, looks, sex, house. A good woman will accept a responsible husband over 1,000 men. So when you notice that she's comparing everything you do with other people, your woman is in a pool of unhappiness. She is unhappy. She compares you. Oh, even when somebody outside does something similar, she's more satisfied. She accepts that more than the 1,000 you do for her. Oh yes. Guys, thank you for watching this video till this moment. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will bring to you beautiful topics like this. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this very episode, from this very video. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. Please notice these things from your partner, and it will help you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day. See you in my next video. Bye.